Okay folks, I'm putting in a new strut assembly on a 2007 Ford Focus. So you take off your tire, you take off your sway bar in link that connects right there, right? You might have to get a pliers and hold this thing so you can turn it. This one didn't have a hex in the middle, which sucked. Undo your brake line. Well, just unhook it from the strut here, and you're going to take out this bolt right here, which in my case is 11/16. And when you get that done, make sure you spray around the strut with penetrating oil. I did it a day before. This bolt here, wow, like it did not want to come out. I've been here for 40 minutes trying to get this bolt out, and my Tecton ratchet, I had to try to put it in this pipe. It was too fat, so I had to chisel away a whole bunch so it would fit in that pipe, so I could break it loose. Anyway, when I get this out, we'll come back. So I got the bolt out and knock this down, penetrating oil. Keep whacking it with a dead blow hammer, and once you get it out, then you know it's not so bad if you get it down. But watch out your CV joint. Don't let her fall too far down because you'll damage it. All right, when we get that done, I'll be right back. So guys, right here, to keep this from spinning, for this particular brand, it's 11/16 on the back here and 5/8 for the nut right there. This goes into there, the brake, like I said, but this is the other side, so put penetrating oil there. Now this bolt is on the other side. Now this bolt here is I forget now, 11/16. So 11/16 for this particular car, and I won't show trying to get this out. Maybe it'll come out easier than the last one, but anyway, I don't have my tripod, or I would set you up. I know it's not much of it's a simple process really, as long as everything goes okay. You can see it's wet there. I believe this is the one that's broken. I'll show you when I get it cleaned up. Anyway, yeah, so I'm losing daylight here, so all right guys. So guys, when you get your strut out, if you can get all the bolts out and you can separate it from this the knuckle from the strut here, it's a piece of cake, really, so just, I don't know why it's like that, but anyway, just compare them, right? There's a right and a left. Now some is universal where they have two of these, one here, so it don't matter. Not all cars are like that, some got a handle on them, well, whatever, but just compare them, make sure they're the same size, right? So everything looks good. The sway bar in link lines up right. Where it goes in the knuckle here, it's okay. And this here. So yeah, all right. So when you do that, make sure everything is okay, the same thing, then you can just put it back in.